Okay, guys, got another one for you. If the video seems a little crooked, my tripod I got's kind of terrible. The legs don't really lock in place, and it's gonna be a weird angle. So I'm gonna come around to the side of it. I just want to show you something. I actually put this together a year or two ago. Um, I put together. I'm looking around the camera too. I don't know if you can see that. A little impressioning kit. I use a Milwaukee pack out, one of the low profile containers or something like that. I forget the exact name. But pop her open, see what's inside. Got these, I think they're like Gator, the wafer poppers. Uh, got these from CLK, of course, not affiliated with them either. I just like some of the stuff they sell. Let's pop the wafers out. Um, have a little magnifying glass if I don't drop and break everything. Have a little magnifying glass. Flip it. Turn on. Got a little light on it somewhere. I think battery might be dead. That way you look at your impressioning marks. Got the little vice grips right here for impressioning. That's pretty much all you should need. Let me get this out. This is a little set of files from Grabe. I believe that's how you pronounce it. See if you can see this. And what we have here is, let's see. We have a couple like your flat files, which you can use for warding. Can't really remember where I got these from. It was either CLK or lockpicks.com Brockage. Again, not affiliated with none of them. Just get stuff from them. Let's see. And it actually came with a pair of Grub USA penny tweezers, and heck, I haven't even looked this thing about a year. Forgot that I even had these in here. Forgot those came with it. You have another flat file. I believe these are like all fine, probably like a 4 cut or something like that. Can't really remember. Another flat file. Some of them might actually be a 2 cut. So I did a little quick overview here. Got your couple rat tail files. Yeah, I actually do believe like one or like a 4 and a 2 cut, one of each, if I remember right. Got those that came with it. Then you have these. These are pretty expensive if you ever look them up. These are your Pippin files. Don't know how well you can see them there. Again, probably one's a 4, one's a 2. These are very expensive. But I do believe this whole set ran me around maybe 127, something like that, 130 by tag, shipping, tax, all that good stuff. Haven't even used these yet. Like I said, kind of put things on hold there for a couple years. I said life sort of happens. And of course, who hasn't seen these? The Leashy clippers, which are great for clipping out stuff when you're impressioning. Maybe one of these days I'll do an impressioning video. Not a skill I definitely need to practice. And little wafer reader. This is like to hold up the wafers in a lock when you're doing like sight reading. Again, something I need to practice on. I believe this actually came part of my Foley Bell saw course. A lot of people kind of laugh at Foley Bell Saw, but got me started right direction. And what I learned from them, I could actually make pretty good money on the side, which is why I'm into like locksmithing. And I got this ESP wafer kit, which I believe will fit good majority. So again, got that from CLK. Uh, and also just got some random cam locks here, ESP and stuff, actually to practice my impressioning on and maybe install if I need one. Someone needs an extra one. Didn't have the room real in here put any blanks. It came with a couple of these other removable trays, if I remember right. I got some of the pack out stuff, and I had to remove them, like for right here. But I just wanted to show y'all a little kit that I threw together. Pretty cool little thing. And thank you guys for watching. I hope the video wasn't too bad. I know I bumped the camera there. It's a weird angle and everything. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up if you want. Subscribe if you haven't. Again, those of you who've been with me for a while, thanks for sticking around. I haven't put out anything in a long time. Sometimes I just don't get to make videos as much as I want. I have a regular full-time job, so sometimes I'm working even 10 hours, so it's hard to do things. Last thing I want to do when I come home is make a video. So thank y'all for sticking with me, and hopefully there'll be more to come in the near future. Thanks a lot, guys.